Hello, I'm Carson, and today I'll be walking you through our cybersecurity project where we built and secured a production ready web server environment. This project demonstrates both offensive and defensive security techniques applied to real world infrastructure. Our challenge was to create a secure Red Hat based web stack running Apache, WordPress, and MariaDB. Rather than simply following best practices blindly, we took a comprehensive approach combining server hardening, vulnerability mitigation, and ethical hacking techniques. We leveraged industry tools like Snort for intrusion detection, fail2ban for brute force prevention, AIDE for integrity monitoring, ClamAV for malware detection, and orchestration tools like Ansible for consistent deployments. Our blue team focused on building a robust defensive architecture. We implemented comprehensive server hardening across the entire stack, from the operating system to the application layer. Our intrusion detection system was configured to identify and alert on suspicious activities in real time. We deployed HTTPS with self signed certificates and implemented a detailed monitoring and alerting system. For the offensive security portion, we formed a red team tasked with identifying vulnerabilities in our adversary's server. Using a methodical approach, we began with reconnaissance tools like Nmap to identify open ports and services. We then employed specialized tools like Nikto and WPS scan to identify potential vulnerabilities in their web applications, followed by Metasploit and Burp Suite for deeper exploitation attempts. Importantly, all testing was done ethically. We carefully documented our activities, avoided disrupting production systems, and maintained clear boundaries. Despite our best efforts, we were unable to achieve system access or privilege escalation. Through this project, we successfully hardened and secured a production grade server environment. We deployed practical cybersecurity skills that bridge the gap between theory and real world implementation. We gained valuable experience with industry standard tools and frameworks, particularly those aligned with NIST guidelines and CIS benchmarks. This project demonstrates that effective security requires both offensive and defensive mindsets. You need to think like an attacker to build effective defenses and understand defensive architecture to conduct meaningful security testing. Thank you for your attention. This project represents a practical application of cybersecurity principles in a controlled environment, giving us experience with the tools and techniques used by industry professionals. I'll be happy to answer any questions about our methodology or findings. Thank you.